like we said in the last one. So this is for transformer connections. So this is just a primary and a secondary. This is one single phase transformer. That could be on a pole, okay? And you have 3 of these, and this whole thing right here is A phase, all right? So just remember that you can make your connections like this. So let's just give credit where it's due. And this is for a lot of these pictures are from the SCL 7A7 manual in Appendix F. I just want to give them credit for the diagrams. So the last one that we have out of all of these is going to be a DAC DAC. Now this is a pretty easy one. This is almost like doing a YY. Okay, so this is also right here a DD0. All right, and why is it a DD0? Because look at the vector diagram. Little a is directly in phase with big A. Okay, they're both at 12 o'clock. All right, so the last thing to look at is this right here, this DAC. Well, that means that A phase coil on, and both of them are actually DAC. A phase coil on both of them are connected DAC. So that means that it's connected to the A phase coil and it's connected to the C phase coil. And over here, A phase coil and it's connected to the C phase coil. So let's just draw this out real quick. Right, and we're going to say that we have red on the primary this time, I guess. So A phase, and then B phase, and C phase. And then what does it, well, A phase right here connects to negative C phase. This is A phase positive connects to C phase negative. There we go. And then A phase negative right here connects to B phase positive, which is this one right here. And then this one jumpers down right here. And you're going to find that the secondary is exactly the same. So we might as well just make our life a little bit easier. This is little a, excuse me, little a and little b and little c. And then we're going to have, you follow it right here, right? A phase coil connects to A phase primary or positive polarity, and the negative polarity connects to B phase. So that's right here. And then the secondary, on our B phase coil, its positive polarity is B, negative polarity is connected to our C phase terminal, which is right here. And the only one left, you could trace it out if you want, but it's the only one left, and it's that right there. So these are exactly the same connection. And we're going to go ahead and just do our delta. So on the primary, we're going to, again, let's just do it in phase. So this is VA, right? And then VB, VB, and then down here, VC. And then we're going to superimpose our triangle on top of it. Not exactly the best triangle, but you get it. And then we're going to take our other one, and so we have what is VA here, right? Well, VA is connected to what terminals? A and negative polarity of C. Okay, and what is that connected to? Well, the negative polarity of C is connected to A, and A is connected to A. Okay, so there's not really anything to do there because A is just A. So that got really easy, right? So A little a, or VA, is equal to VAC, which is equal to VAC, or A minus C, excuse me. And what is VAC, right? Well, VAC is equal to, on the primary, just to recap this, V big A minus C, which if you trace it back out, it goes all the way back up to A. So this is just VA. Okay, so this is why this one's even easier. And I don't really need to go through this on all the rest of them because every single phase is in phase with each phase. Okay, so this is VA, little a. This is VB. And then this is going to be VC. And then we can get rid of, well, I'll just go ahead and draw our delta right here, right? And then we can get rid of all of these right there. And you can see that these are directly in phase. Okay? So that's what it is. Hopefully that helps someone. And if there's any questions, reach out in the comments. Let me know.